Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to fit a new screen, touchscreen, to my Carpuride W502 unit. Unfortunately, the unit has become unresponsive just on the right hand side, so I reached out to Carpuride and the unit was just 1 month left remaining on the warranty. Thankfully, Carpuride were kind enough to send out a replacement screen. So wish me luck, here we go. There we go, all the screws are undone, so now the screen just lifts off, and then we've just got to unhook all of the connections just holding the screen to the actual unit. Thankfully, Carpuride supplied some free black tape just to keep, I'm guessing just to keep it in place and keep some water out, just in case. There we go, that's the old screen disconnected. So now just to unwrap the new screen and see if we can get this one back in. So this was just a case of just reversing the process, just hooking the kind of ribbon wire back up, putting the black tape back down, and then screwing everything back together and just hope it all works. There we go, just popping the screws all back in, and then we'll plug it back in and hopefully see if it works. Almost forgot to put on the sunshade. So Carpuride kindly sent a mini SD card which had an update for the firmware, which you need to install because it's a new screen. So make sure you install that and just follow the instructions for the update. So a massive thank you to Carpuride for sending out a new screen. Certainly saved me having to fork out to buy a new one. So happy days. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.